Are you guys semi-sing? Thanks for his laugh. Well, you have nothing on. The second you turn your...
What's the usual practice look like?
It looks a little bit like...
Ethan's pretty loud.
There's Spiro. You mean stop.
Well, I'm giving you background music.
It's too loud. There's 1,000 grapes in front of you, and one of them is poisonous, but every time you eat one grape, you get $100,000.
Will the poison kill you?
Yes. How many grapes? 1,000.
1,000.
It's so... the probability is so small.
Just like walking around and
Yeah, I die and I go to heaven. Hello. Alright, everybody, debate in the comments if you would eat the grape or if you wouldn't. Debate on our Instagram comments.
Hashtag grape question.
It's a great question.
Go.
Trying to work that pedal in,
I think the delay pedal's a little bit loud.
He tries it every part, and then he'll turn it off like that doesn't work here.
Well, yesterday I was fucking with it, and then I got too much. That was just too much.
That was
That's fine. That's enough.
I think definitely in the second half of the second chorus where we repeat it, definitely works there.
I think it fits on that. Oh, you know what I'm talking about?
I feel like it's too much.
Well, it was also on.
This one's more of like a joke. Like, who are you guys?
Who are you? Spear's a lion.
I like that. How do you know?
Gabe is a monkey.
Yeah.
Why?
Cause
Raphael
he's
is-
like a Gabe's like a ape, more
Okay.
so.
I'm like a lion because I'm a leader.
Yeah.
That Spiro's a wolf.
That's
You're a
what I-
sea turtle.
That's what I
Yeah, I'm a sea turtle.
Raphael is a koala.
No, he's a
Flying monkey.
How do you guys feel when you perform?
I'm like nervous before, and then once you get on, then you sort of just are like in the moment, so you can't really be nervous.
Yeah.
Maybe like for the first like 10 seconds of the first song, you're nervous.
Up and uncertain time.
2, 1.
Happy Mossheads Day!